Everyone, and we are in exercise 6.4, question number 4. And there are 1 to Roman number 5. I have done two questions for you. The rest you'll do it by today only, okay? You please see the video properly and try to solve it. And I want to tell you one thing, this is the last exercise for our unit test, periodic test 1, which we'll be conducting very soon, okay? We are going to do 3 chapters. As you know, I have given you in the group also that 3 chapters are coming for your PT1. So this is the last exercise, so please be careful. Okay, let's read the question. Find the list number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. First, you will have to understand till here. Okay, I'll try to make you understand in the easiest way, okay? Suppose I have a number, say 65. Okay, so what should be subtracted from 65 so the number so obtained is a perfect square? We know 8 square is 64. 8 8 is 64. So if we have, in place of 65, if we have 64, then it is a perfect square of 8. Then it is a perfect square of 8, isn't it? So to get 64, what should be subtracted from 65? 1 should be subtracted. So we get 64. So you have to find this. What should be subtracted? Here like 1 should be subtracted. So we get 64. Isn't it? Then the next work is, what is the square root of this number? Means once you get this perfect square, 64, then the square root of 64 is 8, because 8 square is 64, that means square root of 64 is 8. So you have to find this and this. It's very easy. Just look at the screen. Let me erase this. Then we'll talk about this. Okay, Roman number 1, 402. We'll do as usual. We'll take out the square root by division method. So I will not explain this division method again because we have already discussed. After doing this division, you get remainder 2. See, is there anything to come down here at the back of this number? No. So after subtraction, you get 2. Whatever is the remainder, my dears, I am again telling you, whatever will come as a remainder, that should be subtracted. One answer is that one. That should be subtracted. Like here 2 is the remainder, so 2 should be subtracted. From which number? From 402. So 2 should be subtracted to get a perfect square. So let us subtract. So 402 minus 2 will give you 400. Now you have to find the square root of this number. As usual, make a pair from the back. So we'll write 2 2s are 4. After subtracting nothing, what will come down? Both the pairs will come down, 0 0. This 2 will come here and added. 2 plus 2 will give you 4. 4 into something. What answer you need over here? 0 0. So when you multiply 0, 0 0 is a 0 and 0 0 0 4 is a 0. So 1 0 will come after 4 and the other 0 will come over here. So 20 is the answer. So here I have written the answer. Therefore the square root of 400 is 20. Are you clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. Roman number 2. See, look at here properly. Make a pair from the back. 19 we got here. We have to use the table of the same number. So we'll write, if you write 5 5 it will become 25, more than 19. So we'll write 4 4s are 16. After subtracting you get 3. So when you bring down a number, both the pairs will come down, isn't it? So we get 389. So this 4 will come here and will be added. 4 plus 4 will give you 8. Right now there is nothing over here at the back of 8. So 8 into something, you have to get 389. Nearby 389, I mean. So if you start with putting 3, let us try. See here, After 8 I'm putting 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24. 249 is less than 389. Let's try with 4. Again 336 is less than 389. Let's try with 5. It comes 425. It is more than 389. So we have to write less in division. So we'll write here 4 and here also 4. So it will become 336. So after subtraction, the remainder is 53. Why it is a remainder? Because there is nothing to come down. Is there anything to come down? No. So what is the remainder? 53. So what I told you before, whatever is the remainder, that should be subtracted. So here 53 should be subtracted to get a perfect square. So 53, let us subtract from the question. 1989 minus 53 gives you 1936. Now you have to find the square root of this number again. The square root of this number is 44. So it is very simple. We have already learned how to find the square root. Okay. So my dears, this much for today. We'll continue tomorrow from question number 5 and we'll try to complete the exercise by tomorrow. Okay. And the rest, whatever I have not done, you'll try it yourself. Okay. If you have any problem, you can call me or message me. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.